I'm about to play for you a recorded phone call with a hospital administrator. But before I do that, let me give you some context. Most hospital bills contain inaccuracies, and the best way to find those inaccuracies is to look through your medical records and your itemized bill. Under HIPAA regulations, patients have the protected right to be given their medical records and their billing records from the hospital when they request them. The following clip was taken by my partner organization called Goodbill. They are a team of medical billers and coders, clinicians, and lawyers that will look over patients' medical records for them, find the inaccuracies, and then present them to the hospital and ask that the hospital adjust the bill down to the appropriate rate. So let's listen to what one hospital administrator had to say when Goodbill was trying to assist patients in getting their itemized bills.
If I get any faxes or calls, all faxes will be shredded. We are not responding, and we are not taking any sort of settlement. And you're not getting any sort of itemized bills. None. Not at all. I don't care if you send me a HIPAA release.
Hospitals know that patients are legally entitled to their itemized bill, so why on earth would they threaten to shred a request for one?
They're not just asking for the itemized bill at which they're entitled to. Your company is sending it to your coders and doing your feelers out there and saying, hey, you are overpriced and we want to settle it.